Welcome to another learning video from Glossika channel. Hi, I'm Hina from Japan, Nagoya City, and I'm a teacher today. こんにちは、日本から来ました、ひなです。今日はよろしくお願いします。The Japanese language can be very difficult for English speakers to learn as these two languages are completely different in every aspect. For example, origin, writing system, and grammar. But when it comes to vocabulary, you may be surprised to hear that this isn't a case. There are actually quite a few English loanwords in Japanese. There is even a name for the mixing of these two languages, which is Japanglish. There are two types of English words used in the Japanese language, loanwords and wasei-eigo. The most basic loanwords are English words used in Japanese with the same meaning but with Japanese pronunciation. So first, let's go with the loanwords since they are very familiar to you guys. The first example is camera. Camera. You can tell what that is, right? It's camera. Easy. What do you drink first when you are in izakaya? In Japan, many people start with biru. Biru. Yes, it's beer. Namabiru is also a common way to call beer in Japanese. Nama refers to fresh. Wine. Wine. Almost the same pronunciation. If it's red wine, then aka wine. If it's white, then shiro wine. Shiro wine. Internet. Internet. The internet. When you ask for the internet or Wi-Fi's password, you can say インターネットはありますか？インターネットはありますか？インターネットはありますか？ or Wi-Fi のパスワードは何ですか？ Wi-Fi のパスワードは何ですか？ Wi-Fi のパスワードは何ですか？ So the next word is コンビニ。コンビニ。It's a convenience store. Same, you can also say convenience store. Convenience store. But since it's too long, we make it short. Konbini. Konbini. Air conditioning. Aircon. Aircon. Another long word again. When it's a long word, we make it short. Aircon. Aircon. Pasokon. Pasokon. Can you guess what this is? It's personal computer. This time, don't say personal computer because nobody say it like this. We only use the short one, pasokon. Pasokon. Now, it's time to learn the other one, wasei-eigo. Wasei-eigo, or literally, English made in Japan. It has been more fully integrated into the language. Wasei-eigo refers to English words adapted into Japanese. Learning wasei-eigo may be a bit more difficult, but let's go. Salaryman. Salaryman. Can you guess what this is? Salaryman is a salaryman, meaning businessman who works at a company and gets a monthly salary. So we call them salaryman. My father is salaryman too. The next one might get you confused. It's mansion. Mansion, like a mansion, an English word, but in Japan, it means apartment. But bigger building than apartment. We call it mansion. So when you ask Japanese people, where do you live? And their answer is mansion. It doesn't mean they're rich. They just live in a tall building. Consent. Consent, an English word from consent, but it means electrical outlet in Japan. Many Japanese people use the word consent to mean electrical outlet. It is said that it originates from the word concentric plug. I know a lot of Japanese people still think that it's an English word, so when they go to abroad and ask, where's the consent, and make people confused. Hot cake. Hot cake. It's pancake, which is made at home, but when you go to a cafe, and order pancake, we also call it pancake. Pancake. So hot cake is a homemade pancake, and if we eat in a restaurant or cafe, it's pancake. The next word is ノートパソコン。ノートパソコン。Like I introduced earlier, personal computer was パソコン, right? So what's ノートパソコン? It's a laptop. ノートパソコン。リュックサック。リュックサック。It's a backpack. I heard many people cannot pronounce リュ from リュックサック。リュ、リュ、リュックサック。We sometimes call it リュック。リュック。So the last 5 are the world famous brand names. In Japan, world famous brand names are pronounced according to Japanese pronunciation rules and sometimes called something different. Here are a few examples. Can you guess which brand it is? Google. Google. Yes, it's Google. So in English, you can also say Google as a verb, right? We have it too in Japanese. Google. Google means to search something on Google. Google. The next word is Apple. Apple. Yes, it's apple. But apple in Japanese is ringo. But ringo is a fruit in Japanese and apple is for brand. Starbucks. Starbucks. Yes, it's a Starbucks. A shortened version, Staba. Staba is commonly used in daily conversations. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's a KFC. There are also a couple ways to say shortened versions often used in daily conversations. Kentucky, Kentucky, and Kenta. Kenta. The last one is so famous. McDonald's. McDonald's. Yes, it's McDonald's. Thank you for tuning in. Like I said, many Japanese people think that 和製英語 is an English word. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. 見てくれてありがとう。また次のビデオでお会いしましょう。バイバイ。